Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to my new series on how to make Zodiac rings. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. So what you're going to need for this project is a ring cone, your jewelry pliers, and for this one I'm going to use 20 gauge a copper wire that I bought at Michael's, but you can use a slightly thicker gauge, 18 gauge, if your wire is kind of soft, you want it to be sturdy enough. So now for the Pisces ring, I finished it off with this sort of adjustable type loop here, but you can either use the adjustable loop or tie the ends together depending on how strong your wire is. So basically you want to leave enough of an end to create the band, and then what I'm going to do is just go ahead and bend that up a bit at a right angle. Okay, and then let me get this sample out of the way. We're going to just bring this up, and you want to make this sort of like, it looks almost like a bracket sign. So we're going to bend this like that to the front, and then to do that curve you hold it with your pliers and just give it a little bit of a push with your fingernail. If you don't have a fingernail, you could use your thumbnail. You could use just the tip of your thumb, and so it's made like this kind of bracket type shape. And now we want to bend it back, okay, like that. We're going to bend it back like that, and then where that end comes to make the band, you're going to bend it in the exact same place. It almost makes like a little H type of thing. And then we're going to bring this up and do the same thing. So it's kind of hard to get it perfectly symmetrical, but the idea is you want to try to bend it about the same place. So this is the smooth end. You want to hold the end of the wire with the pliers and bend it up. And then same thing, you make a little bit of a smooth curve like that. See, it's already looking a bit like an H. And then I guess you could measure it if you want to, but I'm bending it to the back. And we'll bend it to the back like that. And just same thing, give it a little bit of a smooth turn. And then this one, we're going to bend it out. So see, like that, you've got like sort of this H type looking thing. And the ends go out either side. As usual, I've cut it way too long, but that's better too long than too short. So we're going to bend one end around there, one end around here. Hold it on the ring form about, where your size is that you want. And because this is a thinner wire, you want to just make sure you find out where the center back is. Bend that up at a right angle. And I'm going to make this one not adjustable. You could see the other videos if you want to see how to make them adjustable. And then we're just going to bend that, hold it and bend it down. Okay, so we've got like that, and then this one, bend it like that. So we've already kind of tied those two ends together. And of course you have to clip the ends. And then the other end, you'll see there's the other end sticking up there, but you want to clip it enough. In fact, you could just bring that right down a little bit, and then you're gonna know you have enough to cut it flush. And then at that point you just take your flat pliers and make sure your little pokey ends are pushed in, and then that way it's not going to scratch or get caught on anything. And then to do the finishing touch, just put it back onto the ring form, and there you have your cute little ring. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art creations, be sure to join my Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, where we share photos of our work and get inspired by members of the group. And if you'd like to check out our Etsy shop, we make all kinds of custom wire art and jewelry on Etsy. And also, if you'd like to learn more about wire art and jewelry making, I have an online course where I teach all kinds of cool techniques, including how to make your own templates, how to make flattened bookmarks, and how to make really cool spiral beads. Thanks for watching.